These are two major changes in the credit stacking industry that you just got to know about. I mean, these are huge as it pertains to U.S. Bank Business Credit Card. And then secondly, GM is back. GM Business Credit Card, one of my really good credit cards. I used to love getting automatic approvals for this GM credit card, but it disappeared on me for some time. And GM credit card is back. Okay, so let me go ahead and get my big head out of the way and put the screen here. And this is actually going to give me an opportunity to test out this new. So I'm doing research on GM, and as you can see, U.S. Bank, and I want to do a split screen. I come right here, add a split screen, boom. Now we're going to compare the two just that quickly. Man, when I tell you I love Arc Browser, I love this Arc Browser. So we're going to come right here on the side, and I want to compare these two different products. And this is a huge change for us in the credit stacking industry. If you don't know, especially, let's go ahead and start with U.S. Bank. U.S. Bank is one of the major, companies as it pertains to, underwriters. Elon is U.S. Bank. When you're talking about underwriters, because if you don't know about this credit card stacking industry, you should know there's tons and tons of banks, but only a handful of underwriters. And Elon is one of the major underwriters out there, and Elon is owned by U.S. Bank. Okay. If you don't know who I am, by the way, let me go ahead and get this out the way real quick. Let's go ahead and pay some bills. My name is Brian Mucklin Sotieno, founder of Pantech Consulting Group. We always say our goal is to help you reach your goals. So if you're looking to start, grow, or even expand your current business, link in the description. Apply right now. We'll get you funded quicker that you can say, where's I need some money, okay? Next, founder of Broker Solutions Academy, where we always say we're going to teach you how to become a real business loan broker and not just a glorified referral partner. There's going to be a link in the description how we can go ahead and work together. Our training is the most comprehensive training as far as becoming a business loan broker in the industry. You're going to actually learn how to become a business loan broker, understand the three paths of lending on all the different things that you need to know in order to be a successful business loan broker. We offer clarity plus systems in order for you to be successful. Getting back to this, huge deal. When U.S. Bank is saying they're not going to be giving out 18 months, that could potentially affect a ton of different other products if Elon decides to implement this for all of their products. Now, the good thing is, as it pertains to the current moment, there is still some products that you can get 18 months of 0% interest as far as business credit cards out there. So if you're interested, click the link in the description where we can go ahead and get you 18 months at 0%. But this is big. I'm hoping this doesn't go ahead and spread to all the products that Elon offers, because this was the longest offer. You have Chase that usually does 12 months. I believe Bank of America usually does 9 months. You have some smaller banks that usually do 6 months, but nobody has done 18 months. U.S. Bank was the largest one. So, and if this is the first time you're hearing about these products as far as and why this is a big deal, what I'm talking about is unsecured business credit cards. Unsecured business credit cards falls under our credit-based lending pads. This is where if you're a business owner, you can get access to capital, $50,000, $100,000, or even $150,000 in unsecured capital in the form of a credit card. There's a ton of benefits that are associated with these programs. There's 0% interest rate, as you can see. One of the emphasis of our video today, they're getting rid of a lot of time here. In addition to that, they do not report on your personal credit, only report on your business credit. This is ideal to help you actually focus on turning your business into a profitable business instead of just worrying and stressing about servicing the debt. Most people get in trouble with that early on. It's great because you only pay on what you use. It has continuous access. It's a revolving line. Unlike a loan, you pay on the principal and interest whether you like it or not. With this one, you only pay on what you use. So really ideal for startups or even established businesses out there. Helps you establish business credit where in the near future, you hopefully don't have to depend on your personal credit to finance your business. So it's a great product. And this right here it's a huge, huge change with U.S. Bank. I'm glad that they're still offering this credit line. U.S. Bank is one of the lenders that was giving out very consistent high approvals. This is a product right here that I'm specifically talking about, the U.S. Platinum Card. You do need to have great credit in order to qualify for this product. So I just kind of want to put that out there. But huge change. And next is GM Business. This is another huge change that I want to go ahead and put to the front light right here, hot off the press. You heard it here first. Okay. GM Business Credit Card is back on. Okay, this, GM used to be with what is it, Goldman Sachs. This was them right here, and I made good money with GM. When I'm telling you I made good money with GM, okay, I did a search here on some of the different applications I submitted. For years, when they came out with this product, and it was very short-lived, we made really good money, and GM gave some really good approvals, okay? Instant approvals, too. GM didn't really hesitate. They gave those approvals right there, right on the spot. I'm trying to see what their relationship with Barclays is going to be like. Barclays is one of the major underwriters out there, as you can see, GM, MasterCard. And just so we can go ahead and read some of this news here, because this just started. So again, if you out there, and they're coming in with 9 months straight out the door. GM Business MasterCard issued by Barclays, designed for business owners that want to earn more points and purchase of the service of GM vehicles. As of August 22nd, 2025, the card transferred from its previous issuer, Marcus, by Goldman Sachs to Barclays. This just happened last week. Okay, last week this just happened. And what the heck happened to my screen? Okay, let's get back to where we used to be. There we go. Arc browser where it needs to be. So again, I'm gonna test this out to see how quote unquote hot GM is right now. I'm pretty sure Marcus is going to be a new relationship. They're going to be trying to get some new new customers if you want to do that. GM is a great card. They do a soft pull. Again, instant approvals is what I really like about GM. They give really high limits with GM, and it's a really great opportunity. So we're going to go ahead and move on to GM being on Barclays and see how that goes. And that's pretty much it. This is a little quick update on two major changes that are going on right now in the business credit card stacking industry. One, GM is now offering their credit card in Barclays, through Barclays being the underwriter. And then number two, man, we got to say goodbye, unfortunately, to that 12 months. We can't say that we can offer the 18 months at 0%. We can't say that we can offer that anymore with US Bank, but we can absolutely still offer it. I still know lenders right now that are being underwritten by Elon, but they're still offering this 0% offer at 18-month interest rate. There's going to be a link in the description if you want to go ahead and work with us. Again, as I always say, our goal, Pentax Consulting Group, our goal is to help you reach your goal. And if you're interested in becoming a business loan broker, there's going to be a link in the description. Hopefully my sound is starting to sound a little bit better on this mic. I know those first few videos I haven't recorded in a while. Okay. Hopefully y'all had a great summer. I appreciate you for joining me today, and I'll see you on our next one. Peace out.